Bachelor of Science in Industrial Security Management. Program Philosophy. Management tool that is protective in nature. A shared responsibility, effective and efficient use of resources. Security practitioners protect assets and prevent or minimize business interruptions. A need for management and technical skills. 5 goals of BSISM. A strong foundation on fundamental theories of industrial security in its administration and understanding of constitutional guarantees of security. Number 2, ability to prepare programs for best approaches and practical applications of these fundamental theories and concerns. Number 3, a comprehensive knowledge of diverse issues and concerns affecting security and the industrial setting. Number four, competencies in the design of basic security system and their operations and functions such as but not limited to cooperate and organizational security, internal office security, information technology system security, physical security, business and commercial security, executive protection, intelligence and investigation, well as security for vital structures such but not limited to seaports, airports, and the likes. Number 5, knowledge, skills, attitude, and values for professional careers in industrial security management and the practice of the security profession. That's all. Thank you.